Okay, so I put my hamburgers in the fold top sandwich bags, which are a penny piece. You fold the top down and this little flap comes over. Then I pop these in the refrigerator, and these are 1 meal portions, about 3/4 of a pound. Okay, these bags are $1.88 for 200 at Walmart. Yes, less than a penny a piece, 3/4 of a cent. And guess what? By spending $1.88, I save myself $8,000. Okay, so how do I do that? $1.88 for 200 bags at Walmart. I get 200 dinners using 1 baggie per dinner. Let's say it's $45 for takeout. So you save $40 by not going for takeout. I spend $5 or less for my dinners. Yes, go check out my channel, Super Easy Recipes. I make dinner for less than $5 every single day. Yes, in 2024. So that means I save $8,000 by using these baggies. That $8,000 translates to, if you make $20 an hour, you bring home $15 an hour. That is 534 hours you have to work. That is 14 weeks of work, or 3.5 months of work that you could take off if you would just spend $1.88 for 200 of these baggies. And every time you make hamburger, just pre-cook a couple of extra pounds and put them in these baggies, and you are set to go. And just pull dinner out of the freezer, throw those tacos, sloppy joe, bean goulash. All those quick dinners are even quicker when your meat is already pre-cooked. If you guys want more ideas on how to save money on your grocery bill with ingredients you already have on hand, quick and easy recipes to get you in and out of the kitchen fast, and recipes your family will love and eat. No shiitake mushrooms here. The link is in the description below. It's 35% off for our spring into savings sale right now. All right, this is today's garage sale finds, or not garage sale, thrift store finds. They had all of these cute little containers, galvanized. I have no idea what in the world I'm going to use these for, but they're $1/4 for Easter decorations. I thought they were cute. Ketchup, mustard. I got these because Jack is making hamburgers to take to lunch, and he's making fry sauce. So I got this to make him a big thing of fry sauce and re-put it in here. And I like mayonnaise and mustard mixed for pretty much everything I eat. So I'm gonna put some in there. Got this cool, man, isn't that cool? Old colander for $1. This is going in the garden as a planter. Then I got this to test cleaners. There's the bottom to test cleaners. And guess what? It had no lid, and I really like cooking with this pan. So today I found this for $1/4, and it fits on this pan at a different thrift store. That's pretty funny. And then I got a KitchenAid tea kettle for one of my cleaning videos. It was $1. Oh, she took off the tag. $1. So I'm going to clean that puppy up, and then I'm just going to resell it after I'm done using it for a video. So for KitchenAid, I could probably get $5 or $10 out of that, and I paid $1 for it. Thought you guys might like to see my geraniums. I did not know when we put the window in that if I would have enough room to put anything on there, and I'm glad we do. Actually, they're getting a little too big, so I'm gonna have to whack them down here pretty soon. I'm attempting to root them. I don't know how that's gonna work. I've never done that before. Thrift store haul, and I have to tell you, I was so excited to find these. These are stainless steel cake pans, and I have been waiting years for these. $1 for each of them, right there. Not kidding. This week, I just looked on a vintage site and was gonna pay $30 for the same 2 stainless steel cake pans, and I found them for $1 at my thrift store. You cannot believe, I cannot express the amount of joy in my heart when I found these. So I just saved myself about $33, $34 after shipping. So I just saved myself $34. Then this shelf for my garden, brand new, $3. And then I found this little ditty, and I think it has holes in the bottom. I think what I'm gonna do is make it a bird feeder. So I'm getting into the bird feeders. I've got one here and I've got another one here, but see this wall back here? I don't have anything on that wall, and I think I'm gonna paint it black and put it over there with another feeder. These are all gonna be gone in the spring, so I think I'm gonna paint it black and put it over here. And then it's got some little hooks, and I think I'm gonna put some little solar lights maybe on those hooks also. Then I got this wasp trap. They were great. $3.50 for the entire thing. The refills are like, I think $6 or $10. I can't remember. The refills are more than just that. So I got this wasp trap. Then I got the boys. This is about one of these is half and one is 3/4 full of computer dusters for them. And then of course everyone needs more watering cans. So I got this watering can for $2 right there. So I was not going to go to the thrift store on Saturday, and I thought, no, I'm going to the thrift store, and I am so glad I did. So glad I did. All right, another little note here. Everybody says going to thrift stores and garage sales is not worth it. Guys, I saved $75 for literally 15 minutes worth of work. I went to the thrift store that is 5 minutes away from my house. I spent 5 minutes at the thrift store, found all these things, drove 5 minutes home for 15 minutes worth of work. I saved $75. I mean, that is excellent pay if I do say so myself. Okay, I'm running out of plant starting space. And I got my geraniums all cut back in water doing those. So dear, oh, guys, this is how you find a husband. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so wonderful.
Oh, well, thank you.
Okay, so since you're so wonderful.
Uh-oh. See, it always comes with a...
Do you mind, you and Jack and Dave mind if we do all the dishes in the laundry room over there? And then right here, I set several shelves to put all my seed starting area since we have sun coming in here now. Is that okay for the next 2 months?
Yeah, sure, that's great. That's how much I love you.
No hesitation?
I really love you, honey.
So we were trying to get our greenhouse built, but we kind of had a financial snag. So now the greenhouse isn't getting built, which is fine. But I've just been trying to figure out where I'm going to start my plants. So
This would be awesome. It's a really great window and it faces south.
It does, yes. Then I decided to try the canned boiled peanuts that I bought at Walmart in Mississippi on our trip. So I microwaved them. I have to wonder, I mean, I know the color is from the shell, but are they clean? Okay, here we go. Let's try canned. So you're supposed to suck. Okay, sorry. I'm not a bold peanut person. Yuck.
Apparently not.
Okay, well, you know, it was worth a try. I don't like green food. Okay, that's it. And then I also found these cashews. I don't know if I showed you guys these, but $1 a can. You can see here they were $7 a can. I got 10 cans. I saved $60. $60 by buying these cashews on clearance instead of paying full price for them. Then next I got inspired and decided to go through all my hotel little soaps and shampoos and all those kinds of things. And what I did was I cut off the bottoms, put them in a funnel and funneled them into the shampoo and conditioner bottles that we already had. Literally 5 minutes worth of work, and I did probably 50 of these that I've had laying around from the last 5 years of traveling. I just kept saving them up. And I got a full bottle of shampoo and a full bottle of conditioner just for a few minutes worth of work. Then also I empty my hand pumps into a bigger one to get that last little bit out. Even though it wouldn't pump out, I still had probably 5 to 10 more uses in the soap bottle that when I combined it to one that had more, I was able to use it. And then the kids were visiting and they decided to buy the fancy pizza. And here's Mom, me, my reaction to the pizza. Here is the takeout pizza. We are feeding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people with this takeout pizza. Okay, we're gonna have Mom's reaction on the price. How much was it?
$29.
29? Seriously?
Serious?
$29 for that?
Should have said double. That would have been a better reaction.
Was it really $29?
I don't know.
Yeah, it was $29.
Really?
Yep.
Oh my.
Holy cow, pizza has gone up in price.
Goodness.
Okay. Yeah, you can tell I haven't bought pickup or delivery pizza for a really long time. So I used my Easter candy 50 cents after Easter to make my dipping chocolate. Just added a little bit of coconut oil and it's melting in the dipper. So that's what I'm using for my caramel apple bar.